Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add payment method in Microsoft account. How to add payment method in your Microsoft account. So first of all, you sign in or log in into your Microsoft account by putting in all your credentials by web or by app, and then on the left hand side here you click on payment options. Then you can see the option for manage your payments. You can see Microsoft account balance over here, notification, transaction. Then this is where you add payment option. Click on add a new payment method. Then you write the purchases in where you choose the location, and then you choose the credit card. Just click on credit card and see what you have. So you put in the credit card details. Once you're through, you click on save. It's as simple as that. That is how to change payment method in Microsoft accounts. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.